Welcome to our presentation of our S.T.E.A.M sailing adventure. We will be taking you on a learning journey aboard the Limu.
Welcome aboard Limu!
Welcome to Limu. I am Captain Eulalie.
Brad, the chief cook and bottle washer. Now you kids get out of here. I'm trying to get some.
Hi, I'm Laura. I'm the able-bodied seaman for Limu.
Hi, my name is Ellie, and right now I am helmswoman, and the helmswoman is leader of the crew and steers the boat.
Hi, my name is Haley. Right now I'm on bow watch. I'm looking for logs and ferries.
Hey, my name is Amanda, and my role right now is to be a lineswoman, where I have to pull ropes to fasten the jib to the starboard side.
Hi, my name's Maddie, and right now my role is to be a lineswoman. What I do is I release and ease the cleat so that my fellow lineswoman can fasten the jib to the starboard side.
We are going to go from Shell Bay Marina to Port Orchard. We are going to jibe back from Port Orchard to Shell Bay.
Now using a caliper, we will figure out our distance from Shell Bay to Port Orchard in nautical miles.
First we measured the caliper to 1 nautical mile. Then from Shell Bay Marina, we count how many nautical miles it takes to get to Port Orchard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
The distance between Shell Bay Marina and Port Orchard Marina is 17 nautical miles. We used calipers to figure this out. Our actual distance on the way back was longer because we were jibing, which means we are not going in a straight line.
Jibing. When you are going through the direction of the wind and your stern passes through the wind at an angle to move the wind to the other side of the boat. Here is a video of us jibing.
Prepare to jibe! Trim the main! Ready? Ready.
Ready.
Ready. Jibe ho! Ease the main!
Triangulation, where you take 3 side-ins of 3 physical land points to find where you are at sea.
Azimuth to places we know. We draw lines on the map, and where the lines intersect is where we are.
I'm sailing, and I want to know where I am. I see a familiar land point, Alki Point. So I hold up my compass at eye level and look. My compass reads 70 degrees. So Alki Point is at an azimuth of 70 degrees from where I am.
I'm going to draw in the 204-degree line from Blake Island. First, I line it up to the inner compass. And then I move it to go to the Blake Island. And then I draw. Are the 2 lines that we already drew, and this is the one we just drew. Right where they intersect is where we are, so we're right there.
that is how you triangulate your position.
We're going to show how to calculate the area of the jib sail. This is important because if the sail is too big, there would be too much sail area and the boat could flip over. Also, each boat is a different size, so the sail has to coordinate with the boat size to have maximum sail area and speed. This is the luff and this is the jib. This is our sail aboard Limu, which is curved to give us extra sail area. To find the sail area, you times I times j, which is 40.2 times 16.8, and that gives the square measurement of the sail, which equals 675.36. But since this equals the surface area of a square, you must divide 675.36 by 2. Which equals 337.68. Now we need to add on the curved area outside of the triangle. This is equal to 135%. To do this, we multiply the area of the triangle by 1.35, which equals 455.9, and this is our jib sail area. But no naked numbers, so we have to add foot square.